Proposition 21. The currently accepted paradigm states that we had 10 to the power of 80 particles stored in a space of 10 to the power of minus 32 meters, swirling around as it inflated. At that density, one might only expect two possible outcomes as it expanded. The much more likely of the two would lean towards extreme similarities in cosmic structures, like galaxies in their axis of rotation and speed of rotation and density. The other second likely option would be complete randomness in cosmic structures. But neither is the case. We do not find complete randomness, and we do not find complete similarity, not at a degree that one would expect from such a dense and uniform source. Another mystery that is hard to explain with the current paradigm is the similarity in speed of rotation across galaxies of all different sizes. If SCT is true, not only would we expect to see similar axis of rotations, but we would expect to see a similar speed of rotation. The relative velocity of two colliding universes would be expected to produce similar relative resulting speeds of rotation of the plasma clouds generated by those bodies that did not hit head-on, thus retaining more angular momentum. Observations indicate spiral galaxies of all different sizes rotate approximately once per billion years. If we find all galaxies per cluster share the same directional spin of rotation, then collisions created clusters also, not just galaxies.